Hello friends, today I'm gonna teach you how to paint base of a glass bottle, and for that you will need one glass bottle like this, one sponge like this and some white acrylic color. So I am using this Feviscril Fine Art white acrylic color. This is titanium white, and I'll take some white color in the palette. Start like this. I'm gonna hold the bottle like this. So this is the first coat. Let it dry for 1 or 2 hours completely. Once it is completely dried, you can apply the second coat. Let it dry completely for 1 or 2 hours. Once it is completely dry, we will apply the third coat, and you can use any color you want. I am using this sky blue color which I have made by mixing blue and white color. So I'll take some color. Let it dry completely. Keep it for 1 or 2 hours. Once it is completely dried, it will look like this.